Biochemistry is the branch of science that studies the chemical processes and substances that occur within living organisms. It explores the structure and function of biomolecules such as proteins, carbohydrates, lipids, and nucleic acids, as well as the chemical reactions and metabolic pathways that occur in cells and tissues. Biochemistry also seeks to understand how these molecules interact with each other and with the environment to maintain life and support cellular functions. It plays a crucial role in many areas of science and medicine, from developing new drugs and therapies to understanding the molecular basis of diseases such as cancer and Alzheimer's. Some of the key areas of study in biochemistry include enzyme kinetics, metabolism, protein structure and function, molecular genetics, and biotechnology. Biochemists use a wide range of experimental techniques and tools, such as chromatography, spectroscopy, X-ray crystallography, and genetic engineering, to investigate the chemistry of living systems. Overall, biochemistry is a fascinating and rapidly evolving field that provides insights into the fundamental workings of life, as well as practical applications in fields such as medicine, agriculture, and biotechnology.